Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing very lovely. So today I thought that I would do a vlog and kind of make it like a healthy day in the life sort of a thing. And yeah, just take you along with me. I'm going to be doing some juicing. I'm going to be doing an ab workout because I actually haven't worked out in about a week and a half. There is a reason for it. So you know how me and my brother, we have been doing the Calabasas stairs hike every single day? But the other week we were there and I made a really stupid decision. I left my backpack in the car because I was like, this is a nice area. I think it'll be fine. I just didn't really want to carry my backpack on the hike with me. So I left it in the car, I come back, the window is completely smashed. Somebody took my backpack and it had my ID, my credit cards, my prescription sunglasses, my cell phone, so they took everything. So I've just been kind of dealing with that. It's been a real headache, especially because all my banks are in Canada. So just trying to get my cards back. And yeah, losing my cell phone. I had no access to Instagram for a while and I couldn't even get onto it on my computer because I had two-factor verification on. So the access code just went to my cell phone number, which I didn't have my cell phone. So now I have a new phone, which is great, but I just kind of got off my routine. I was a little bit stressed out, so I stopped working out, which was the wrong move because working out is what helps me feel good. But I'm gonna get back into that, so that should be really good. And me and my brother are also gonna go to Soa Heart Farm, which is this really cool organic farm. But before we jump into the rest of the video, I wanna give a quick thank you to today's sponsor, which is Athletic Greens. Every single morning I start my day with AG1. It's just a part of my morning routine. It has been for the last couple of years. And if you're new to AG1, AG1 contains 75 vitamins, minerals, whole food sourced superfoods, adaptogens, probiotics, basically everything that you need in a once daily serving. And AG1 is really good for our gut health, for immune health, for focus, recovery, energy levels, skin health. It just really helps me feel my best. And to make it, it's super easy. You just take a scoopful of the AG1 powder, put it in your water, shake it up, stir it up, and you have yourself your green drink. So if you guys are interested, you can click the link down below in the description box to get the AG1 Immunity Bundle for free with your AG1 purchase. So that includes a year's supply worth of vitamin D plus 5 individual travel packs of AG1. And vitamin D is so important for our immune system. And we don't always get out in the sun every day to get adequate levels of vitamin D. So having that dropper of vitamin D is really convenient. But let's get on with the rest of the video. Okay guys, so we are gonna do a little bit of juicing now. So first, I'm gonna make my favorite famous green juice. Well, it's not famous, but in my house it is. So you guys have probably seen me make this before. It's super simple, really good for your skin, and it just tastes so good. So I'm gonna put in 1 bunch of celery, organic celery, 1 cucumber. Cucumber is really amazing for juicing because you get so much juice out of it. And then some fennel, one of my favorites for juicing. Tastes so good. A couple of Granny Smith apples to sweeten it up. And then a little bit of lemons. And then we're also going to be making, I'll let you do the honors of showing them.
So I'm so excited for this. So we're going to be making ginger shots, and we've been drinking these ginger shots from this brand that we found in Whole Foods, and this is a turmeric version, but we are obsessed with the ginger one because it's really
It's
pungent.
so strong.
Yeah, so we're trying to make our own version of that.
Yeah.
And I'm super excited.
So we're going a bit hard on the juicing today because a new juicer blade finally came in for their Breville. Because look at their old one. We were trying to juice with it and nothing was coming through.
Like maybe show in the light where like the see-throughness and like the...
Yeah, see, like this one you can see through it. This one, it's all clogged up. I don't know why. I think maybe it has something to do with California water, because I noticed that the water here has really bad powdery residue. It's some of the worst water in the country.
Thanks.
It's really bad water here, so you know, always drink spring water or make sure you're filtering your water. You never want to drink the tap water.
Don't listen to your grandma.
So now we have this fresh blade so we can do all the juicing that our heart desires. So let's get juicing. First, Sarah is drinking her coffee.
Because I have to dehydrate so I can hydrate. Like.
Okay, that makes sense.
It's smoking?
It smells like smoke.
Technical difficulty.
That was weird. Okay, that blade works so good. Last time I made this juice, it made about that much. And then I always just squeeze the lemons into the juice after and mix it in.
Yeah, because I've done where I juice the lemons, but the skin makes it so bitter. And try not to make as much of a mess as we did.
Yeah. Stir it
Ooh,
up.
Oh my god! It's really
Oh, it tastes good! Holy moly!
Ooh!
Oh.
Do you like the foam or no?
I love the foam.
Yeah, you can put it in.
Just take a spoon. I go like this.
I want one.
It's like green whipped mousse dessert.
It's a little hard to grab. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Isn't it good?
Why is it so sweet?
There we go. And a little trick that you can do with your leftover lemon peel is use it as a cleaner for your cutting board.
Oh.
Okay, so you can just do that and it's gonna help sterilize it and clean it.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh. Cheers to health.
Cheers to health. It's delicious.
So good.
Mmm.
Holistic Habits Original. Yeah. See, I'm so dehydrated. I just need so much, you know?
Yeah.
That's how it works.
Zara's eyes match the green juice.
He's like, I want it. Ooh.
Who wants
Ooh.
some?
He wants. I don't know if we can have that. Ginger time.
Ginger time. So we cleaned out the blade because it seemed like it was getting clogged with the ginger hairs. So we'll try it again.
Yeah. Cutting it.
Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of lemon in there.
Look even. It's hard to tell.
I think so. It's a full glass.
Everybody! This is strong. It's a real deal. Oh man.
Oh, there's no way I'm drinking this whole glass. I'm gonna get a stomach ache. Ooh.
No, it's
Oh,
supposed
yeah,
to help
ginger,
your
yeah.
stomach.
I'm gonna burn my throat.
Woo. Can you overdose on ginger? Please comment below before we finish drinking this.
We're gonna save the rest for later.
It is so strong. I just had Simon try some and he like literally almost fell over. Like it's some strong stuff.
We'll do one more and then we can...
Wait, cheers first. Cheers. Whew.
All right, and we just made our breakfast. So we did our favorite avocado egg toast on gluten-free sourdough bread, a little bit of balsamic reduction on top, everything but the bagel seasoning. This is Sarah Ashley. She made hers much more pretty than mine. And these are some kale sprouts on top. So we're gonna go enjoy that. All right guys, so me and my brother Simon are gonna be going to a farm called Soa Heart Farm. It's an organic farm, and if you're familiar with the restaurant Sage, which is an organic plant-based bistro, they have them all around California. They might have them somewhere else too. It's a really good restaurant. But me and my brother were there the other day, and our waitress Claire, who is the sweetest human in the world, came up and was like, oh, I watch your YouTube videos. And she told us about Soa Heart Farm and offered to kind of give us a tour. So we're gonna go do that today. So a big thank you to Claire. So what's really cool about this farm is most of the produce for Sage is grown there. And then the scraps from Sage, the food that people don't eat, actually gets composted and turned into soil, and then they reuse it at the farm. So that's really, really cool. So I'm excited to go there and see some animals and hopefully try some different organic veggies.
All right, so this is a, how do you pronounce it?
Spilanthes.
Spilanthes. And yeah, it's also known as the, toothache flower?
Yeah,
So I just took
don't know
a
what to expect.
tiny bite. And for me, it kind of has like a sour taste, but it's also like, Claire, I can feel that pop rock kind of sensation. And then, yeah, I kind of feel like a numbing too.
Yeah. Similar to Novocaine, like they would use it for
Nature's Novocaine.
Wow.
There you go, yeah.
A little bit of composting. all the old food. Okay guys, 2 turtles just went into the chlorine pool, so Claire's gonna jump in and hopefully save the day. Claire's saving the turtles from the chlorine water. Wow! Yay! All right, we are back from Sew a Heart Farm, so I wanted to show you a few things that I got. I picked up some of these radish sprouts, and then I got these organic avocados for $1. Got 4 of those. I picked these fresh, I think they're Valencia oranges. Picked them straight off the tree. Then we got some organic, fresh squeezed grapefruit juice that they make on the farm. And then this is what I'm really excited about. Claire recommended this. It is the sore throat, cold, and sinus spray. And I don't have a sore throat or a cold, but I'm gonna try this anyways, and it'll come in handy one day. But it has spilanthes, which is that toothache plant, lemongrass, Cuban oregano, organic lemon, cinnamon, olive leaf, horseradish, garlic, onion, daikon, chicory, hot peppers, ginger root, raw honey, oil of peppermint, dehydrated dandelion, oil of clove, oil of oregano, echinacea root and flowers, jalapeno peppers, loquat reduction, kaffir lime leaves, echinacea extract, golden seal extract, elderberry syrup. So many good things in this, so I'm very excited about that. And all the other little goodies I got. And I'm gonna go drink this grapefruit juice because I am very excited about it. Alright guys, well I am gonna end the video here. So I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. I got my little nephew right here. Hi baby. And remember, you can click the link down below in the description box to get the AG1 Immunity Bundle for free with your AG1 purchase. So that includes a 1-year supply worth of vitamin D plus 5 individual travel packs. And if you're wanting to know more about AG1 and all the ingredients, definitely head over to their website. They have so much information on every single ingredient over there. It looks so cute, Zorro. And AG1 is NSF Sport certified. So what that means is whatever is on the label is guaranteed to be in the powder. So that's really great. So yeah, you can check that out if you're interested. But I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!